Hello everyone. I am about to start the preparation on my 2 limbs that I'm going to test to see if I've got what it takes. So I'm using some warm water and Dawn to clean the limb off. I'm trying not to get water inside. And Sweet Cupcake Nursery, I am using my toothbrush to really try to get into the creases. Make sure I get everything, any oils or anything on this off. And I will do the same for this guy. This is actually the limb that came with my beginner's kit. The other limb is one that I had bought previously. In the previous video, Bountiful Baby sells them for like $1.99. So, which I think is a great idea. And I'm going to change my gloves because I have a lot of soap on these. So I could have waited, but I'm going to change my gloves, put on some fresh gloves. Because from this point on, I don't want to get any fingerprints or any oil from my hands on the babies. And so I'm going to take some alcohol. This is 91% isopropyl. Everyone, I apologize. My phone rang. My father was calling. I tell you, when you're trying to do a YouTube video, you really have to turn everything off. But anyway, as I was saying, I'm hoping I can splice this together decently. I'm using the isopropyl alcohol to further clean. And I know I keep referring to this one particular website, customdollbaby.com, but Kim shows this and the whole thing about using the isopropyl alcohol after you've cleaned with the soap and water and just kind of letting that all dry out. I think I did good as far as not letting water get inside, but I do plan to order plugs from now on so that I can really be assured that I don't have any water inside. So I'm going to leave this alone, leave the limbs alone for an hour or two, and then I'm going to start my painting. Thank you for watching.